What if I told you that you can start a web design business today, even without coding skills? The best part? Businesses pay $300 to $5,000 per website. And now AI makes it possible for anyone. Step 1. Go to Framer AI and sign up free. Click Start with AI, then type your website idea. Step 2. Choose your niche. Target restaurants, real estate, coaches, or local businesses. The money is in the right clients. Step 3. Build your portfolio. Create 3 to 5 sample websites using AI. No clients needed yet. Step 4. Get clients. Use Facebook groups, Instagram DMs, Fiverr, or reach out to local businesses directly. Charge $50 to $1,000 per project. Comment web design below and subscribe for part 2.